Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup-free, all skin. We're surfing skin today, just skin, because we're gonna do one of my favorite things, which is try new skincare. I should do actually a lot more skincare videos because now that I am older, more mature, you know, I really need to take care of my skin, y'all. It is no joke. But one thing in particular is that I love black skincare companies. And today, guys, we're gonna try Gleamin together. Never tried it before. So this is Gleamin's Vitamin C Clay Mask, y'all. We're gonna try this mask together for the first time. Comment below and let me know as well, guys, if you guys wanna see more videos like this where we open these things together and try them. Okay. Oh! I really just did not open this at all yet, guys. Look at this cute little brush. I had a brush here that I was gonna use. Dash that to the side. This packaging as well is actually very poppin'. I'm feeling it. Oh, this is cute. Look how cute this is. The yellow, cruelty-free and vegan, guys. And black owned. How many times am I gonna say that? Probably a lot. A lot. So let me get my little brush. I don't know the last time I was this excited to try a mask. Ooh. Ooh. It's very earthy. It's like earthy floral, which flowers are earthy too, right? So that counts technically as an earthy smell. That's the best way to describe it, but it's not overpowering, which I really appreciate because I love smells, but I don't like super overpowering strong smells. So as you can see here, we got that good. Should we start down the middle like tribal? Oh baby, You know when something just feels right? So guys, oh my God, you're at my house right now. We're hanging out and we are having girl time. We're just, you know, gonna get this mask right. Oh my God, while we're doing this, can I just talk to y'all for a minute? Like, can we really just have a moment? Because, like I said, this is a black-owned skincare company. And I am very pro-black, I am black. And being pro-black does not mean you're anti-white, but it means that you just want to see your people do well, okay? Because clearly, okay, oppression has got us all done. So, can we talk about this whole, I don't even want to say the name, but this whole Popeyes thing, it's bothering me because of the type of numbers the Black Twitter pulled for Popeyes. For Popeyes. Popeyes toxic, fried, deathly chicken. Y'all. For toxic. If that ain't slave mentality, I don't know what is. I'm sorry, guys. I know somebody's going to be mad at me right now for this, but it's the truth. Why can't we do the same thing for black businesses? Why? Instead, what we do is complain about the price point. Oh, there's got to be a better way for these black businesses to drop their price. Why? Someone's value is not determined by your budget, honey. No, it doesn't work like that because everybody out there spending their last dollar to go buy Prada, Gucci, and all these other things. But when it comes to black business, it's like, oh, it's too expensive because we don't value ourselves. And I think that's a huge problem. When we don't value ourselves and we kill ourselves while we don't value ourselves. It makes zero sense. So it's like, for me, this video and even just like using this product is more than just using a product. Like, this is circulating our dollar within our community, which is really important because we don't do it enough. Like, I don't want to be Debbie Downer, but facts. Oh, she a snack, honey. Oh, she a certified snack. So we got her on. We're gonna let her sit for a bit because there's probably instructions on here, right? Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. So we have 10 minutes now. Let's talk about some of the benefits of this mask so that I can manifest it within my skin right now. You know what I'm saying? We've got turmeric and aloe vera, right? Natural certified, organic ingredients. It's stain free, so your skin is not gonna look like you have jaundice after. Hallelujah. It's formulated for all skin types, so whether you're oily, whether you dry, whatever it is, apparently this has got you. And I can kind of see that because aloe vera is good for all skin types, no matter what kind of issue you have. Aloe vera pulls you down. Fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Fix me, please. Enhances the natural glow of your skin, softens the texture of your skin, and comes with a super smooth applicator brush. So if you guys want to give this a try, then you can head to gleamin.com. Y'all could give this mask a try. We could be masky twins. Twinsies, okay. It's been 10 minutes. I have done the most in 10 minutes. Posted on the gram, read some articles, did the most, talked some trash, talked some not so much trash, and we ready. But now I can't laugh because now my face is okay. Dog. It's gonna feel nice, you know. Ooh. Whenever you do a mask, the way that you actually feel rejuvenated after, like you feel like you care about yourself. You know that feeling? That's what I feel right now. Because I can't tell you guys the last time I've just taken the time to do a mask on my skin. Like, it's really overdue. And I should be doing this, like, every week. So, Gleamin, thank you. Thank you for making me self-care. Alright, guys. What do you think? How my skin looking? Are we looking hydrated, glowy, and delicious or not? Can I have a little confession with you guys? You know what's funny? In real life, I go without makeup like 90% of the time. But there's something about being on camera without makeup that makes me feel like, you know, because you see yourself in person, I'm like, oh yeah, girl, you're kind of cute. And then I go on camera and I'm like, oh no, you look busted. So I'm always have a little like thing with that. So this video for me is refreshing because here I am, me and you, we both here, no makeup. I mean, maybe you have makeup, I don't know, but I'm saying. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe. Why? Because poppin', it's lit, it's where you want to be. Comment below and let me know if you guys have already tried Gleamin or if you plan on trying it, and let me know what are your favorite black-owned skincare companies. Okay. Alright guys, I love you. Until next time. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.